Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a full day clean with me. This house absolutely needs it. It is a complete disaster. You guys are probably going to look at it saying, how the heck did you let it get to this point? But this is a result of having 2 birthdays in a week, going on a last minute vacation, and just totally not keeping up. So I know we all need that cleaning motivation. I definitely needed it to get started on all this. So I hope this video can do that for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I do before I even pull out the cleaning supplies is light some candles. This makes my house smell clean and fresh before I even get started. So this is always step 1 to a full day of cleaning. So on the days that I'm cleaning the entire house, I like to separate the house into floors, doing 1 floor at a time. So we're starting downstairs where all the shoes get left behind, things just get placed here, and it just ends up always looking messy, especially with all these shoes. I need to come up with a better solution here, but for now, I just put everything back away onto this little bench, put the extras back into the front closet, and just get the whole shoe situation tidied up. Alright, now that everything is put back where it's supposed to be, I'm moving on to the floors, and I'm starting by using my Swiffer vacuum. I think this thing is so powerful. It picks up all the cat hair, dust, and crumbs all at the same time, and it's just really light and easy to use, so I definitely like to start my cleaning off with this. Then moving on to a step that I feel like a lot of people forget about, dusting your baseboards. This makes such a big impact to the overall look of your space once everything is dusted. So I'm using my Swiffer duster to reach all of these areas so I can get high and low, and I just think it makes the room look so much cleaner. And then my last step, I swear I'm not sponsored by Swiffer, but I'm using my Swiffer Wet Jet just to give the floors a little bit of a scrub down. And now moving on to what I would call the cat bathroom. This is where their cat litter is. This is pretty much only used by them. So I'm just putting away all of their stuff, hiding it underneath the cupboard here, scrubbing down all the surfaces, mirrors, and floors, and just making this bathroom look and smell 100% better. And then if you're a pet owner, you know you have to have a good vacuum. I found that this Bissell Lithium Pet works really well for cat litter and cat hair. So I use this just to go around all the different corners of this room, get in all the tight spaces. I love that it comes with this little handheld piece that you can just take right off the vacuum. So it helps me get in there and just pick up all the litter that the cats toss around the room. So it gets really messy, and this vacuum totally helps me clean this space. Now that the cat bathroom is complete, I'm moving on to the upstairs, and of course stopping on the steps to clean up more cat hair and more cat litter that gets stuck in this carpet. This is always a full job doing these stairs, but once they're done and clean, it makes this whole hallway and this whole entrance area just look so much more presentable and a little less embarrassing. And moving on to the upstairs, to the most daunting area of the house, the kitchen. Look at the state of this kitchen. I look at this and I just don't even know where to start. It is so messy. I have so much cleaning up to do, so much putting away to do. So I am starting with these dishes. And yes, they were completely out of control. I do agree. I don't know how I let it get to this point. I was just busy, I guess. So I'm starting by emptying this dishwasher, getting everything in that I can, and cleaning these dishes up. Finally, that is complete. Now I'm just doing the little upkeep things around here, refilling the paper towel, watering my plants, cleaning bowls that I got a long time ago, and putting everything back where it's supposed to be. And just like that, after a little bit of tidying up, this kitchen is starting to look clean and presentable again. Now I'm going in with my multi-surface cleaner to scrub down all the countertops and cupboards and drawers. This is in the scent Sea Salt and Lime, and it's just super refreshing and light. It's by that brand called Method from Target, so I really love using this. I'm also using the Method brand degreaser, and this stuff is great for my stovetop because this place gets very messy. I like to take off the rack and really scrub underneath it and make sure that that's all shiny and clean. And when you're trying to get a really clean look, it's all about the details, so I'm cleaning off my appliances with a stainless steel cleaner just to get rid of any of the streaks, fingerprints, and smudges that kind of get left behind. So I'm doing my oven, my dishwasher, and my fridge just to really give an overall shiny, clean look to this kitchen. And then since I'm not doing a full fridge cleaning today, I'm using my Arm & Hammer little baking soda pack and putting that in there just to make the fridge smell clean and fresh again. Another super simple thing that you can do to make your house feel clean is just switch out the air freshener that you're using. So I use these little Bath & Body Works wallflowers, and as soon as you put a new scent in there, your mind just picks it up as something new and exciting, and your nose doesn't get used to it too quickly. So I like to switch those up here and there, and I think it makes such a big difference to the overall feel of your house. And this is the first time I'm doing this, but I'm going to stick this rug in the washing machine. It actually worked out so well, but it's starting to smell like food and getting pretty dirty, so I'm just going to clean that up before I get to cleaning the floors. Now onto the little dining area. I had this set up for a birthday party, so I still have balloons and wrapping paper and tablecloths still out, so I should get this all put away, tidied up, and get this table all cleaned off. And yes, I'm using my little handheld vacuum to clean this table. There's so many crumbs that get stuck inside of here. I'm also using it to clean up the chairs. The cats love to sit on these dining room chairs, so I just like to vacuum them all up and get them cleaned up. And the most important part is just cleaning down this table, so I'm using the Method wood cleaner just to give this table a little bit of a sheen and not leave it looking so dull. Now I'm almost done with this main floor. I just have to tackle this family room, and this is usually a super simple job, just picking up things that get left behind, things that are kind of scattered around the couch, and just making it look presentable and cozy again. So I'm just folding all the throw blankets, putting back the pillows where they're supposed to be, and just really wiping down all the surfaces, which includes vacuuming the floor, vacuuming the couch, and dusting the whole area. Now everyone, meet Henry. This is my cat that likes to watch every single thing I do. He follows me around the house while I clean every single time. He seems to be very interested, so he'll be here for the rest of the day. Pretty much every room I'll go to, he'll watch me and follow me all around the house. I'm not gonna lie, I am so exhausted from doing 2 floors. I want to be lying there on that couch too. But we are heading upstairs to do more bathrooms and bedrooms up here, tackling the top floor, which tends to get very, very messy. So I'm just doing the stairs, dusting, and vacuuming on my way up, and starting with some laundry. So during a full day of cleaning, you have to multitask, so I have the laundry running at the same time as me cleaning up this top floor. So I'm just cleaning up this whole landing area. There's stuff that's always left behind up here and it looks really messy, so I just need to finally get things put away, vacuum up this floor, and just clean up this entire top floor space. Now moving on to the guest bathroom. This bathroom needed some time and attention. I had some laundry left over in here. Everything was a mess, really. I had to clean up all the surfaces, toilets, sinks, mirrors, bathtub. So I put away all the products that were left out looking messy, and we just totally transformed this space by just cleaning it all up. And to really clean up my bathtub, I'm using the Tub and Tile Cleaner by Method, and then using my little scrubber brush. This is made for bathtubs, so it has a little handle and it makes it really easy to clean the tub. Alright, I finally made it to the master bedroom. This is the last room that I need to tackle. You guys don't normally see this room in this state. It is really, really bad right now. I still have suitcases to unpack, laundry to be done, and things to be picked up. So again, Henry is joining me here in the bedroom to watch me clean. I'm just going to speed through this, get the bed all sorted, get the sheets just put back to where they're supposed to be, and get everything off the floor. Oh my goodness, I've told you guys this before, but every time I make this bed, the cats love it. They love to be right there in the action, watching it all happen. Look at them just follow me around the room. They just watch my every single move. It's so funny. Here's Stu going into a bag, just being mischievous, getting in the way as usual. So there's always some fun to be had while cleaning with these cats nearby. I still haven't made the time to hang up my macrames. I'm still trying to find the perfect place for them, so that will be my next project, trying to decorate all these walls and put those up. I'm also spraying this really nice amber linen spray. I know you guys might have seen it in one of my other videos, but I like to spray my bed with that and around the room just to make it smell fresh and clean. And I'm just finishing up this area of the house by doing a little bit of multitasking, taking out the garbage, doing the laundry, putting all the sheets and towels back into the bathroom, and getting this master bathroom all cleaned up. Now my full day of cleaning is coming to an end. I'm just finishing it all off by sorting my laundry and putting a few loads in before I go to sleep so that it can be ready by the morning time. If you guys enjoyed watching this video and it gave you guys some cleaning motivation, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button for me. If you guys want to see more Clean With Me videos, please let me know down below in the comments, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you guys never miss a video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one.